Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The standard deviation formula may look confusing, but it will make sense after we break it down. Step 1. Find the mean. Step 2. For each data point, find the square of its distance to the mean. Step 3. Sum the values from Step 2. Step 4. Divide by the number of data points. Step 5. Take the square root.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Statisticians have determined that values no greater than plus or minus 2 SD represent measurements that are more closely near the true value than those that fall in the area greater than plus or minus 2 SD. Thus, most QC programs call for action should data routinely fall outside of the plus or minus 2 SD range.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The population standard deviation is calculated using equals stdev values, and in this case the command is equals stdev a2, a6, which produces an answer of 0.55. The sample standard deviation will always be greater than the population standard deviation when they are calculated for the same dataset.
Take our lead.
Standard deviation is a number used to tell how measurements for a group are spread out from the average, mean or expected value. Standard deviation is also useful in money, where the standard deviation on interest earned shows how different one person's interest earned might be from the average.
Take our lead.
More precisely, it is a measure of the average distance between the values of the data in the set and the mean. A low standard deviation indicates that the data points tend to be very close to the mean. A high standard deviation indicates that the data points are spread out over a large range of values.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.